So, hello, once again I'm back on my Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 AMD edition, and as always I'm recording locally and streaming today on YouTube live service. Let's check out the stream through the browser, Vivaldi browser, if it's working properly, sound and all. Yes, perfect. So I can mute it now, stop it, and continue with the action. So yeah, we are back in MX Linux, and the version is 25.2 Infinity, and let's check out the system information via the terminal. Let's come here, zoom in. I think this is fine. You can pause the stream, take a good look at your own pace, or later the video when it will be available on my YouTube channel. Just pay attention to the screen resolution, which is 1440p, basically 2880 by 1800, running at 120 Hz. However, I'm recording and streaming in 30 FPS in this native screen resolution. I will leave it a moment here and then I will just hide it away. Okay, let me show you the OBS settings. Here we are. The screen resolution is native, as I said before, 30 FPS, no downscale involved. I'm using hardware encoders, FFmpeg VAPI H.264 for the video and FFmpeg AAC for the audio, 16,000 bitrate, and for the recording I'm using MKV. With these things out of the way, let's check out what is MX Linux. Let's go to the distro watch. Here we are, let's read up a bit. MX Linux, a desktop-oriented Linux distribution based on Debian's Stable branch, is a cooperative venture between the Andix and former Mepis Linux communities. I will stop reading here because more or less the same information, at least this part here, can be found here. MX Linux, this is the official website by the way of MX Linux, which is a cooperative venture between the Andix and MX Linux communities. It is a family of operating systems built by users from Debian Stable repositories that are designed to combine elegant and efficient desktops with high stability and solid performance. MX's graphical tools provide an easy way to do a wide variety of tasks, while the live USB snapshot tools inherited from Andix add impressive portability and remastering capabilities. Extensive support is available through videos, documentation, and a very friendly forum. And also, among the great information that you can find on the website, they have the MX Technical Documentation Wiki. So yeah, for the past many days I've tried to do a lot of stuff. Among them it was rising. I was failing completely. I felt like so much frustrated that I almost dropped this MX Linux 25.2 Infinity version with KDE Plasma. Almost dropped it, and I wanted to go back in XFCE version, but you know what they say, when everything else fails, persistence prevails, and this is what happened actually. And after I've shown you all the other things, finally I can show you the rising done. Of course, all the necessary steps will be inside the guide when I will release it, most probably tomorrow, but I digress. Let me show you. I'll start first with the dock applications, one by one, all of them. And as you will see, everything, this you know already, everything adheres to my theme, my rising, so to speak. And I'm so glad, finally, I can show you this one. Let's go with the heavy duty apps. GIMP, Kdenlive, Tenacity, And I think I'll skip OBS settings, you already seen it, and also no need to load the XIV launcher. But let's see, Tenacity, finally it's up. For a moment I thought maybe I needed, oops, wrong drop zone. For a moment I thought I needed to force quit it or something, but everything goes well. So now let's go and see the silly apps like, let's go to another workspace, boom, and let's yeah, I think I need to fix this as well. Let's go with flat seal first, boom. Oh yeah, I have loaded it before and set it in place in this workspace. Sorry, my bad. And let's go again with parabolic. My brain, whatever left of it after all those decades, has become a soup. No rest for the wicked, as they say. So as you can see, finally done. Let's go with LibreOffice Writer. Oh yes, I keep forgetting this silly focus thing. Sorry, I don't know if I can fix this, but I'll try. Now let's go into Inkscape, for example. Nice. So as you can see, everything goes fine. And what else? Let's go in graphics. Did I forget something? Oh yeah, Krita. Well, Krita is a known quantity, just like OBS, very stubborn with the theming, but it is what it is. And yeah, I don't know what else to show you. As you can see, all of the stuff are working properly. Let's just go with Quantum Manager, why not? How about something else? Time shift. Long and complicated password is here. Just close it, no problem at all. So yeah, as you can see, everything is rock solid. Theming is on point. Let's go with Handbrake. Yeah, no troubles, no problems at all. What else? Let's go with local send. Boom. And we can do it like dark. Doesn't change a thing. Or maybe I need to relaunch it, I'm not sure. Or it's already dark because of the system, what I'm talking about. As I said, the brain is soup. No brain inside my skull, just soup. Brain soup. I'll go again with the system option, which is basically one and the same. And now I'll just quit all the apps. Let me hide the browser just in case. Okay, and let's start quitting the apps. I'm frustrated at the moment. This one hand thing is not possible for the old farts like myself. I have to have two hands on the keyboard and mouse. Anyway, almost there. Have patience. And let's close this one. Let's reset it. Exit. Sayonara. So yeah, I think all things considered, another success. Top panel is on point as I want it to be. Daytime, series dates, the weather, my system tools, network speed, application menu, dock, and last but not least, forgot to show you this one. Let me go to the terminal again. Silly me. Let's zoom in again. As I said, silly me. One command, you enter the password, and if everything needs anything, not everything, if anything needs update, it will update it for you. So update, wordplay of course in update and apt. Here I am again, dad jokes for the win. And yeah, so there is this one. It works, just the network stuff. Eventually it will finish, but I've done it I think about an hour ago, so yeah, nothing to see there. Anyway, I think I've said everything. If I forgot something, excuse me, but it will be me if I was remembering everything. But yeah, finally, mission accomplished. So tomorrow, just a recap, summary of what we did, the guide, the new guide that it will be released after the stream, after the video. And next time, most probably, I will just go back to my old MacBooks, the MacBook Air of 2012 and the MacBook Pro of 2012. See how they are doing. I haven't, I don't know, I haven't put them up, maybe like, I don't know, a month, 2 months now. So a boot up is in order, updates, etc. See how they perform with the latest updates, and we will see. And yeah, as for the next Linux distribution, I'm not sure, but maybe I will surprise us both, you and I. Anyway, as always, if you like what you see, if you think you're learning something, if you want to, I don't know, hate watch, follow me, like me, or my live services like Kick, Twitch or YouTube, or like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, leave a comment, hate watch, hate comment, whatever, you're welcome. As always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!